nostalgia. This recipe is for you guys. A snack, a beautiful snack with rice paper and nori sheet. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. To make this gluten-free snack, we need rice paper and nori sheets. Dip the hand in water, spread it all over on top of the rice paper. Stick the nori sheet on top of it. I have small pieces here. If you have a big piece, you can do exactly the same. Dry it and cut into small pieces. And fry in hot oil like this. It won't take too much time. Within seconds, it will be already. Crispy, crunchy, gluten-free, celiac-free snack. The fish powder on the top, enhancing all the flavors, a little bit of spiciness to it. But if you don't like to have a little bit of touch of spice, enjoy it plain also. So give me support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Okay, bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.